How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be changing the battery in my daughter's tablet. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, and first thing we're going to do is to
turn it off.
Turn it off. There you go. Now that it's off, got to remove this cover. Now I'm going to try and remember how to take it off.
Pop that out. That's cool.
Okay, so
Me.
I know I just got this SD card, so I'm going to remove this card. There.
That's so tiny, Daddy.
Yes. Let's see here. Here's the battery box. And it says over here with tools. Oh, cool. Okay. Let's check it out here. Here is the battery.
And there's some green stuff.
High skilled lever.
If you can see it.
I guess that's a tool. Oh, cool. Okay, because what I had was a spatula and a knife. So. Okay, I'm back. I put a piece of paper over this because I don't want you to look at my ugly face in the reflection. So, I guess I'll start at the corner here. Oh, there you go. Oh, kind of out of the... Whoa, that would have went right off the table. That would have been not too funny. Okay, I guess you will work it all the way around. Maybe I should make it flat. As you can tell, I'm not a professional, but in the instruction it says I'm not high skilled. I'm just a laborer. Well, that was a lot of sliding. So basically you just slide it. Okay, so I'm going to turn this over. Wow, look at that.
What is that thing?
Oh, must be some kind of heat transfer thingy. Let's leave that
Cool.
alone. And here's the battery. And
That one looks too small.
you're a genius. Nope, looks like the same size. I thought it was too small.
I thought it was too small, but it works. Cool.
Put the battery. Don't.
And we need to pop that off
Wait,
and then
how do
take
you-
that out.
How do you know that?
Cause same as that. Cause now I know you need to put that on to this, so this gotta pop off.
Wow, you're so smart. Alright, so I'll pull hands only. So I guess this is how you take off the old battery. And you try and take
I
it off.
think you need to slowly trip it off this way.
You think it'll come off when I pull it? Can you see that?
I'm slowly just trying to pick this off.
No, it doesn't. Maybe
We don't want to cut the wires.
Yeah, we don't. How do we know it goes that way? Can Daddy
Wait,
try
can
and
I,
do this first?
can I try? We want to try not to break the motherboard or anything. That'd be bad.
Wow.
Then the tablet would have some glitches and stuff.
Oh yeah? It's like this battery like
So
melted.
slowly. Slowly.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Slowly. It's coming out slowly. Coming out.
There. Now for this mechanism here.
Now I need to get that thingy out.
Yeah. You're so smart. Can you take that tape off?
Sure.
He doesn't have fingernails.
Wait, Daddy, I think I have an idea. Hold it up there.
Mm-hmm.
And then pry over here a little. And then I'll pry over here. Slowly. Just put a little more pressure at a time, slowly.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, slowly getting out.
Let's move it straight up. Can you do your side, the white part only?
Yeah. I'm trying. Trying to get it. Can't get it.
There we
Oh,
go.
we got it.
Yeah, we got it. Okay.
High five, Daddy.
High five.
There's a close-up right there.
You just lay it right on top. Just like that. And put your finger, go very slowly. Okay, put it on.
I'm going slowly.
Okay, did it go in?
It's not really budging yet.
And let me use a hammer.
Don't use a hammer. Or is that not what you said?
There you go. It seems to have gone in pretty good.
Please don't use a hammer when you're inserting that.
I was only joking.
If you have a hard time, ask a parent.
Okay. Okay, let's put it back together now. Turn it on, see what happens.
Hopefully this is the right button.
What do you mean? This is your tablet, don't you know? Alright. It works. Okay.
I thought it was two buttons over here.
Let's check out the battery charge. Okay, and we're at
60%.
60%. Oop. 60%. So we are going to charge that and see if it holds the charge. And oh, 59%. Whoa. Okay, so let's just put everything back together and charge it up and see if it works. Which it should. Alright, you can give these pops
And that was quick.
to Grandma. And I'll properly dispose of this battery. And a big shout out goes to Battery Bill for having this in stock. Alright, thanks for watching. Aloha and take care.
Don't put this in the trash.
Yeah, you're right.
Bye.